What's up YouTube, this is your man iOS X. In this short video, I want to show you guys a quick tip on how to check to see if you guys are at high risk at being hacked on social media. Let's get right into it. You want to start by going inside settings. Once you're inside settings, you want to come over to the left hand side and you want to stroll down to where you see passwords. When you see passwords, click on passwords. Sign in. Once you have officially signed in, you'll see right here in the middle where it says security recommendations, security risk found. Click on that. Once you click on that, you'll see all of the social media apps that you are on currently signed into, and you just might be at high risk. If so, it's no big deal, no need to worry. Just simply change your password and that's all you need to do. So just stroll through these different websites and start changing your passwords. That's how you can check on your iPad or your iPhone to see if you're at high risk at being hacked on social media or website. This is your man iOS X. Please rate, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this short video, which I hope you did. Holla at you.